There are 3 drive shaft options available on Dutton-Lainson worm gear winches. The standard drive shaft that is operated with the standard 7-inch handle, the loop drive engaged by a shepherd's hook, and the hex drive that can be used with a special 7-inch handle or an electric drill. If you have one style of drive shaft but want or need to switch to another, this video will guide you through the quick change-out process. Start by disconnecting your winch from any load, then remove its handle with a 3/4 inch wrench if you have a standard drive shaft, or slip off the hex handle if you currently have that style. Use 2 7/16 inch wrenches to remove the nut, bolt, and spacer. To give yourself room to pound out the pin holding the drive shaft in place, turn the drive shaft until the back side of the pin is lined up with the narrow space between the reel and side of the base. Then completely remove the pin with a hammer and either a 3/16 inch punch or, more ideally, a 3/16 inch roll pin punch. Carefully pull out the drive shaft without knocking over any of the worm gear parts. Then slide your new drive shaft into place. Position it so its hole is lined up with the hole in the worm gear. Then use both your hammer and punch to pound in the pin until it is nearly flush on both ends with the worm gear. Reinstall the spacer, bolt, and nut with your 7/16 inch wrenches, followed by your winch's handle if applicable. Thank you for watching. Refer to our YouTube channel for more videos about DL winches and let us know if there is a topic you'd like us to cover in the future.